Feeling overwhelmed? Studies show that just 10 minutes outside can significantly reduce stress, boost your mood, and even lower blood pressure. Let's explore how a short nature break can calm your mind, and how to make it even more helpful with mindful walking and deep breathing exercises. Nature therapy, also known as ecotherapy, has been extensively studied for its powerful and transformative effects on mental health. Spending time outdoors has been shown to significantly reduce the stress we feel, which can help alleviate feelings of anxiety and depression. Additionally, being in nature improves focus, enhances creativity, and fosters a deep sense of connection to the world around us. The best part, you don't need to venture far or spend hours to reap these benefits. A simple walk in your local park, a moment in your backyard garden, or even just sitting under a tree can make a substantial difference. Embracing nature in small, everyday ways can lead to a healthier, more balanced life. So take a moment to step outside and breathe in the fresh air. To deepen the calming effects of nature, try mindful walking. It's simple. First, slow down and focus on your steps. Notice how your feet feel against the ground. Is it firm, soft, or uneven? Second, tune into your senses. What do you hear? The rustling of leaves, the chirping of birds, or perhaps the distant sound of water? What do you see? The vibrant colors of autumn, the intricate patterns of tree bark, or the gentle sway of grass? And third, breathe deeply. Inhale the fresh, crisp air and exhale slowly. Let nature guide your focus and bring you into the present moment. Feel the connection between your body and the earth, and allow yourself to be fully immersed in the experience. Nature is a free therapist, and it's always available. The gentle rustling of leaves, the chirping of birds, and the fresh air can do wonders for your mental well-being. Just stepping outside in nature can help clear your mind and energize your spirit. Whether it's a quick walk around the block or 10 minutes in your backyard, take a moment to reconnect. Feel the ground beneath your feet. Notice the colors around you and breathe deeply. These small moments of mindfulness can make a big difference in your day. Give this mindful walking exercise a try and notice how you feel. Pay attention to the sensations in your body, the sounds you hear, and the sights you see. Let go of any stress or worries and just be present in the moment. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more wellness tips, and share this with someone who needs a breath of fresh air. Your support helps us create more content to inspire and uplift. Remember, taking care of your mental health is just as important as your physical health. So take a step outside and embrace the healing power of nature.